In the following minutes, we provide a brief introduction to the Restrict Payment Methods extension for WooCommerce. The Restrict Payment Methods extension allows to limit the use of payment methods at checkout. It focuses on providing a simple, yet efficient and flexible approach. Restrictions can be based on group memberships, roles, countries, and order amounts. The site that we will use has the following plugins installed and activated: WooCommerce, Restrict Payment Methods, and Groups. Please note that Groups is optional, but necessary to restrict the use of payment methods based on group memberships. The extension adds a restrictions section to the administrative user interface for payments, where restrictions for the available payment methods are managed and shown. First, we will apply several restrictions to the default gateways that are included with a fresh installation of WooCommerce. Direct bank transfer will require the role of customer and a minimum order amount of $500. We are going to restrict check payments to customers with a billing address in the United States or Canada. Cash on delivery will be made available to wholesale customers only. For this restriction, we need to create a wholesale group. Now we can use that group to limit the availability of this payment method at checkout to members of that group. Next, we are going to add the WooCommerce Stripe gateway and see how the extension integrates with the additional payment methods. Once we have connected the account, the additional payment methods are available, and we can set restrictions for them. We will restrict Stripe's Alipay to registered customers in China. This means that guests or users outside China will not be able to use the payment method. For Afterpay, we restrict its use to customers in the United States or Canada, and we require that they belong to a group of verified customers, the group named Afterpay Allowed. For that reason, we have created the group and use it with the payment methods restrictions. We also require a minimum order amount of $100 to use this method. If we check in our restrictions overview, we can see which payment methods have restrictions set and of which kind. Let's enable several payment methods and see the effect some restrictions will have at checkout. We have enabled Stripe for credit card payments as the default with no restrictions set. In addition, we enabled the methods for which we have set restrictions: Alipay, Afterpay, direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. We are now shopping as a guest. When we proceed to checkout, we can see that only eligible payment methods are offered. This guest customer can use credit card or check payments, but is excluded from using any other payment methods. Now we shop as a member of the wholesale group. We can see that the cash on delivery payment method is now available, as that is restricted to members of the wholesale group. When a customer is a member of the Afterpay Allowed group, the Afterpay payment method is available once the order amount reaches the established minimum of $100. The direct bank transfer payment method requires a minimum order amount of $500 and becomes available when the order satisfies the limit. Here we have a registered customer from China. This makes him eligible to use Alipay, in addition to the default credit card payments, which are available to everyone. We have seen that the Restrict Payment Methods extension for WooCommerce is very easy to use. It indeed provides a safe, flexible, and efficient way to limit the payment methods that different types of customers are allowed to use. Thanks for watching.